The Na'vi AI3 robot is a next-generation humanoid machine built to work in real-world environments with movements and intelligence similar to a human. Developed by the Zhejiang Humanoid Robot Innovation Center, it combines strength, smooth mobility, and smart autonomous control. Na'vi AI3 can walk, bend, squat, and move easily over uneven ground like slopes, gravel, and industrial floors. Its strong lower body helps it move faster while staying stable and well-balanced. This shows major progress in how humanoid robots can move naturally. The robot is designed for practical use, making it suitable for tasks such as security patrols, building inspections, and managing controlled public spaces. Apollo Turf Storm is a smart, AI-powered yard robot made to make outdoor work easy. It combines lawn mowing, snow removal, and leaf cleanup into one machine, so you don't need separate tools for each job. Using advanced satellite positioning and AI cameras, it moves on its own with very high accuracy. It can map your yard, avoid obstacles, and work smoothly even on uneven ground. Its all-wheel drive and strong tires let it climb steep slopes of up to 45 degrees. The robot runs on a powerful, swappable battery that lasts up to 6 hours on a single charge. Thanks to its modular design, you can quickly change attachments depending on the task. It has an adjustable mower, a snowblower that can clear up to 50 centimeters of snow, and a leaf collector for easy cleanup. Built to handle tough conditions, Apollo Turf Storm is dust and water resistant, supports wireless charging, and works all year round. With its smart navigation, automatic operation, and multi-purpose design, it offers a simple, efficient, and durable solution for modern yard care. The Chone S by Edelkrone is a smart camera motion system made for filmmakers and content creators who want smooth, professional-looking shots without big, complicated equipment. It combines the Dolly Plus V2, Slider Plus V6, and Head Plus V3 into one compact and modular setup. This system gives you multiple types of movement, including sliding, dolly moves, panning, tilting, and vertical motion, all working smoothly together. The Dolly Plus V2 lets the camera move accurately on straight or curved tracks. The Slider Plus V6 increases the sliding distance and can also move vertically with an optional add-on. The Head Plus V3 handles heavy cameras and adds smooth pan and tilt, with automatic subject tracking to keep the shot perfectly framed. Chone S is perfect for solo filmmakers, YouTubers, and small production teams, as it delivers cinematic motion without needing large crews or heavy gear. Its portable design, accuracy, and flexibility make it a powerful tool for creative and professional video production. The DoorDash Dot is a small, self-driving delivery robot made to improve local deliveries. It is fully electric and designed to move safely on sidewalks, bike lanes, driveways, and streets. Using sensors like lidar, radar, and cameras, it can detect obstacles and travel smoothly on its own. Dot is built for nearby deliveries and can carry up to 30 pounds of food, groceries, or small packages. Items are stored in a secure, insulated box that customers unlock through the DoorDash app. It can travel at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making deliveries faster and more flexible than traditional methods while helping reduce traffic and pollution. Created by DoorDash Labs, the robot works with DoorDash's autonomous delivery system to offer a simple and convenient experience for both customers and businesses. The EMO AIBI Pocket Pet is a small AI robot designed to be a friendly companion you can carry anywhere. It can recognize your face, understand your voice, and show emotions with its animated eyes. It reacts naturally to people and its surroundings, making interactions feel personal and fun. You can keep it on your desk or take it with you, and it can do simple tasks like reminders, alarms, and giving weather updates, all in a playful, animated way. When connected to the internet, it can chat with you using AI, making conversations more engaging. The EMO AIBI Pocket Pet is a new kind of AI companion that focuses on emotional connection, bringing a friendly, interactive. The Holiday Friday humanoid robot is an advanced industrial robot made by South Korea's Holiday Robotics. It is built for real-world use in factories, warehouses, and logistics centers. Instead of walking on two legs, Friday moves on a wheeled base, which makes it faster and more stable, with speeds of up to 4.3 miles per hour. The robot uses hot swappable batteries, so it can run for long hours with very little downtime. It stands about 176 centimeters tall and has a highly flexible body with 63 degrees of movement. Its two dexterous hands are equipped with tactile sensors, allowing it to carefully handle delicate or oddly shaped objects. The Litter Robot 5 Pro is a smart, automatic litter box that makes pet care easier. It cleans itself after each use by separating waste and storing it in a sealed drawer, keeping your home cleaner and reducing odors. It operates quietly, so it won't disturb you or your pets. This model uses artificial intelligence to track litter box activity and can even recognize different cats in homes with multiple pets. Through a connected app, you can check your cat's activity and trends from anywhere. By combining automation, smart sensors, and AI, the Litter Robot 5 Pro makes caring for your cat simpler, cleaner, and more convenient. The Mona Luna rover is Europe's next-generation vehicle designed to explore the Moon. Built by Venturi Space for the European Space Agency and CNES, it is made to operate near the Moon's south pole. Its main job is to study dark, permanently shadowed areas where water ice and other valuable resources may exist. The rover weighs about 750 kilograms and can carry up to 1,000 kilograms of equipment. It runs on electric power using solar energy and can drive on its own with autonomous navigation. Mona Luna also has a robotic arm to handle tools, scientific instruments, and cargo. The Olight Opa 3 is a modern, all-in-one pen designed for everyday use. It combines smooth writing with useful features like a bright light, a softer light for dim places, and a built-in laser for presentations or precise pointing. Its slim aluminum body is lightweight yet strong, making it easy to carry in pockets, notebooks, or bags. The pen is rechargeable, so you don't need to worry about disposable batteries. Whether you're taking notes, working in low light, or giving a presentation, the OPen 3 is a compact, practical tool that adds extra functionality without extra bulk. The Crevo Curve 2 Pro is a smart robot vacuum and mop designed to make home cleaning easier. It has strong suction and a dual spinning mop, so it can clean both hard floors and carpets efficiently. Its slim design lets it reach under furniture, and smart navigation maps your rooms to clean in the best path. The robot can detect obstacles like cables, shoes, and toys, avoiding them as it cleans. It comes with an automatic docking station that empties dust, washes the mop, and dries it, reducing daily work. You can control it through an app, use voice assistants, and schedule cleaning times. Overall, the Curve 2 Pro is a smart, almost self-managing helper for your home. The Ray Neo X3 Pro is a smart pair of glasses that combines AR, augmented reality, and AI technology for everyday use. It has a full-color micro-LED display that feels like looking at a 43-inch transparent screen. Weighing just 76 grams and made from strong magnesium alloy, the glasses are comfortable to wear all day. They include dual cameras, depth sensors, and AI-powered features for real-time translation, navigation, object recognition, and voice control. You can control the glasses using touchpads on the frame, voice commands, a smartphone app, or a smartwatch. Running on Rayneo's Raynos 2.0 system, they support many Android apps and AI tools, turning the glasses into a powerful wearable computer. The Salepu Neuro Sleep Mask, also called Dream Pilot, is a smart sleep mask made to help you sleep deeper and more comfortably. It uses AI and brainwave tracking to understand how your brain moves through different sleep stages during the night. Based on this information, the mask gently helps your brain relax using a mix of soft audio guidance, far infrared warmth, light electrical pulses, and gentle vibrations. These features work together to support natural and calm sleep. Instead of being just a regular eye mask, Dream Pilot acts like a smart sleep companion that helps you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed, showing how future sleep technology is evolving. The Circus Group CA-1 is a smart, fully automated robot made to run commercial kitchens. Built by the German company Circus SE, it uses robotics, computer vision, and AI to handle the entire cooking process, from storing ingredients and cooking meals to plating and serving food. Its compact design makes it suitable for places like cafeterias, hospitals, and office dining halls. Once it is filled with ingredients, It can prepare up to 500 meals on its own without human help. People can order food using a touchscreen or voice commands, making it easy to use. With global production planned for 2025, the CA-1 aims to lower labor costs, improve hygiene, and provide round-the-clock meal preparation, marking a new step toward fully automated food service. The Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses combine classic sunglasses style with modern technology. They have a built-in display in the right lens that shows navigation, messages, and other visuals right in front of your eyes, even in bright sunlight. These glasses come with a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, open-ear speakers, and 6 microphones, letting you take high-quality photos and videos, make voice calls, and interact with AI. When paired with the Meta Neural Band, you can control what's on the screen with simple hand or finger gestures. No need to touch the glasses. Overall, these glasses blend fashion, convenience, and smart technology for everyday life. Whisk Aero Gen 6 is an advanced self-flying air taxi made to change how people travel in cities. It can carry 4 passengers along with their luggage, offering a fast and convenient way to move between city centers, airports, and nearby suburbs without getting stuck in traffic. The aircraft runs on electric power and has a lightweight design with 12 propellers and a wingspan of about 50 feet. It can cruise at around 120 knots and fly up to 90 miles on a single trip. Safety and comfort are key features, with backup systems, fewer moving parts, and a roomy cabin designed for passengers. Built in partnership with Boeing, the Gen 6 has already completed early flight tests and is working toward full approval for commercial use. Its ability to fly completely on its own, without a pilot on board, makes it one of the first air taxis bringing the future of urban air travel closer to everyday life. The TX-0001 is a 2-seater electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically. It is being developed by the Chinese company Xpeng Aero HT and is designed as an air taxi for short-distance urban travel. It uses 8 electric motors to power 8 propellers, giving it smooth and quiet flight. The aircraft has a sleek, futuristic look and is built from lightweight composite materials. Inside, the cabin is roomy enough for 2 passengers and their luggage. The TX-0001 can fly up to about 130 kilometers, 81 miles, and reach a top speed of around 253 kilometers per hour, 157 miles per hour. It is still in development, and its price has not been announced yet. Meet the 2C, a flying car that looks straight out of a superhero movie. This advanced vehicle combines powerful engineering with vertical flight, letting you drive on city roads or fly above them. Its sleek, futuristic design features foldable propellers, allowing it to switch from driving mode to flight mode in just seconds. Made for city travel, the 2C can take off vertically from small spaces, making it ideal for daily commutes or quick trips. Its carbon fiber body is lightweight but strong, and the electric motor makes it quiet and environmentally friendly. On the ground, it feels like a luxury car. In the air, it flies smoothly like a drone. With an estimated flight range of 250 to 300 kilometers and a speed designed for short regional trips, the 2C is not just an idea for the future. It's a big step toward a world where flying to work could be normal.
UDX Airwolf looks like the kind of bike people might fly in the future. A Czech company called UDX is turning this idea into reality with its electric hoverbike, the Airwolf, which has already completed test flights. It moves as quickly and smoothly as a hummingbird, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds and reaching a top speed of 230 kilometers per hour. Even experienced bikers would find the ride exciting. It can carry 2 people at the same time, making it even more impressive. The main drawback is its short flight time of about 25 minutes, but UDX engineers are working to improve the battery range. As the flight time increases, more people may be willing to pay its high price of around $384,000.
UDX Airwolf looks like the kind of bike people might fly in the future. A Czech company called UDX is turning this idea into reality with its electric hoverbike, the Airwolf, which has already completed test flights. It moves as quickly and smoothly as a hummingbird, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds and reaching a top speed of 230 km per hour. Even experienced bikers would find the ride exciting. It can carry 2 people at the same time, making it even more impressive. The main drawback is its short flight time of about 25 minutes, but UDX engineers are working to improve the battery range. As the flight time increases, more people may be willing to pay its high price of around $384,000.